Today we're going to make a really cute craft that makes a good gift for moms, dads, grandparents, or other caretakers. Begin by painting one of the child's hands. You can use whatever color you would like. Since we are using a small chalkboard for this particular project, we chose to use white paint. Once the hand is painted, have the children bring their fingers together and then push it onto the board at an angle. Just use a wipey to clean the paint off the hands. I have always had wipies in my classrooms, regardless of the grade level, because it helps so much with cleanup. Once the hand is clean, repeat the process of painting, angling, and cleaning with the opposite hand. Once the handprint's dry, you can put the child's name next to it or add other text, such as Jesus loves Mary Ellen. You can also choose to put the handprints a little wider. On this particular project, we put the handprints directly in the middle of the chalkboard and chose a very light pink color. We then took a pencil and drew a heart around the prints. From there, we took white paint and painted the heart. Next, we put some glue around the painted heart and added glitter. And for the final touches, we added a few decorations on the outside of the chalkboard. This is a really cute project, and remember, if you're looking for a budget-friendly craft, you can also just use tagboard or repurpose other items you have around the house.